Intract app comes with a feature named video lectures. Under video lectures, you can upload your lectures on YouTube and paste the link here, or you can paste link to videos which can be used as reference by the students. To do so, click on video lectures feature on Intract app and then select the classroom. Then select the subject. At the bottom right corner, you will find a add sign. Click on the add sign and give a title. Click on create module. Open the recently created module and then click on the add sign at the bottom right corner. Give the video lecture a title. If any description. Click on attach media. Click on video and paste the link of the video here and click on add video. Then lastly click on post video button and the rhyme or the video will be added to the module. Thank you.